So what are we doing now?
Trying to figure out what program. Like it has all these programs. I don't know which one to pick.
Oh.
Or if I should just tell it to just go to 275 or something. Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Oh, wow. So what's going on right now?
It's cooking. It dropped a little bit because of the lack of pellets.
But that was just because it's a new smoker.
Yeah, it's a learning curve.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So now we're just letting them crisp up? What are we doing?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're going to crisp them up. Burn the burned ends.
Nice.
Got some good smoke.
We do have some good smoke. Beautiful sunset in the background. Some decorated palm trees. We've got our little Christmas tree here. View of the river. Not a bad way to celebrate Christmas. All right, is it time to eat? After like 20 some hours of cooking? All right, show me that yummy food.
Not continuously, but yeah.
I know, not continuously, but whoa. Sweet potato casserole.
Michelle made.
Toast I made. Sorta. You toasted it, but. And the star of the show. I'll hold the plate. Bird ends.
Good.
Oh, are you going to hand select my burn ends? Oh. Oh, those are so good. I think that's all I'm going to need. Oh, and then I made deviled eggs too, with filled with guacamole. Yeah, look at that plate. All right. Let's see. Oh, I didn't get any sweet potatoes. What the heck?
You gotta have sweet taters.
Gotta have sweet taters. Yes. Thank you.
Oh. That's really good.
Yeah. All right. Viva Fantasy friends. Merry Christmas. Do you want some of this? We brought you your own sweet tater.
Alright, so the burn ends are beautiful and freaking delicious.
Worth all that work?
Every second. It's so good.
Oh my gosh. This is like heaven on earth. I mean, it was a lot of work, but I think it was totally, oh my gosh, totally worth it. Thank you for making this.
What do you think, Kay?
Kayla wants some too.
Yeah. Not happening.
I think she likes her sweet potato Christmas meal. Oh my goodness. Barely. I gave her a little piece of cheesy cube too. It's a very fancy Christmas meal.